Mr. Schaefer, would you agree with me that there are those with sincerely held religious beliefs who have a literal interpretation of the Bible and think that homosexuality is a sin?
No question.
Do you agree that homosexuality is a sin?
Yes, I do.
Do you think that if I, as a lesbian, were to ask an attorney to help me adopt children, then that attorney could say, I'm sorry, I have religious beliefs, and therefore, because of this change in the law, I don't think that I could help you adopt a child?
I think there are many attorneys that would help a client in that position. And there's nothing wrong with attorneys being matched to a client that they can, in good conscience, implement the desires of the client. You know, that's what you want. What you don't want is a client that is asking an attorney to do something that they don't want to do.
Do you think that there are those who have a literal interpretation of the Bible and think that only Christianity is the true religion?
What does that have to do with the amendment?
Do you think that someone who believes that Christianity is the only true religion would then say to a non-Christian person, I'm sorry, but I have sincerely held religious beliefs and I can't help you because you're not a Christian?
They wouldn't make much money if they did.
Answer my question, please.
You know, I can't imagine that being the case, but if they did, maybe they could go to, maybe they could make that case. You know, but the shoe applies to everyone equally. That's what's great about this, is that anyone, whether you're a Muslim, Jew, Hindu, Christian, atheist, agnostic, this is going to apply to you as well.
Do you see how some people would see what you're doing as hatred applying equally?
I think that's silly. I think
You think it's silly?
I think the First Amendment.
You think it's silly that I, as a lesbian who wants to adopt a child, would be able to say, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to find another attorney because that attorney has religious held beliefs.
Mr. Workman raises a point of order that the gentleman's time has expired. The point of order is well taken and sustained.